Hey there, welcome to my defense. Even being confused by the confusion matrix and all those related metrics? Don't worry, I will make it simple and we will kick things off with the confusion matrix. All these terms come from one thing, binary classification. But what exactly is binary classification? We can start with something we all know, email. Every day we get tons of emails and some of them are junk. So to help this, we can use a spam filter. Each email can go into one of two boxes, spam or inbox. Think of this as a simple yes or no decision. We can build a model that takes each email and classifies it. Spam is labeled as positive because it's our target, while normal emails in the inbox are labeled as negative. That's what we call binary classification. Now you actually have 10 emails. 3 of them are real spam, and 7 are normal emails. Our model tries to classify them. Sometimes it gets it right, sometimes it gets it wrong. For example, this spam email is correctly flagged as spam, but these 2 spam emails are mistakenly marked as normal. And among normal emails, there is only one incorrectly marked as spam. So, how do we organize these results? We can use a table to compare the true labels with the model's predictions. In the top left, we have the spam email correctly identified. And the top right here are the normal emails wrongly marked as spam. Down here on the left-hand side are the spam emails that slip through. And finally, in the bottom right, the normal emails are correctly classified as inbox. This table is the start of today's video, the confusion matrix. This matrix is just a simple illustration table that compares what's actually true with what the model predicted. Then we'll introduce the common terms used in the confusion matrix. Across the top, we mark the true labels. Spam is positive and normal emails are negative. These are the real truths about the emails. On the left side, we write down the predicted labels. These come from our model's classification, whether it thinks the email is spam or not. Now we can fill in the 4 boxes. On the top left, we've got the true positive. That is true spam correctly coded as positive spam. On the top right, that's false positive. When a normal email gets flagged as spam, oops, that's a mistake. And on the bottom left, we have a false negative. That's when spam was mixed out and ended up in a negative inbox. Aha, mistakes again. And on the bottom right, that's a true negative, a normal email correctly placed in the negative inbox. These names pop up all the time, but honestly, they can get a bit confusing. That's why I use this color illustration. It just makes things way easier to see. Red means positive, blue means negative, and if the colors match, it's correct. If they don't, it's wrong. That's the confusion matrix. Maybe now it's more of a clear matrix. Next time, we will meet other matrix. Don't miss it or you might just end up confused again. Alright, thanks for stopping by my defense. See you next time.